Hello friends, welcome in pharmaceutical chemistry. Today we are going to deal with anti-neoplastic agent. This is part 2 and presented by myself Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and currently lecturer in Kekewa Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori, Nasik. So let's start with alkylating agent. This is the first classification of anti-neoplastic agent. So let's start with alkylating agent. What is alkylating agents? These are the drugs which directly act on the cell, that means shows cytotoxic effect and act as cytotoxic drugs. Alkylating agents were the first anti-cancer drug used, and it contains chemical groups that can form covalent bond with the particular neophilic substance in the cell. This is the diagram showing alkylation of DNA. These alkylating agents act by cross-linking between intrastrand, cross-linking in interstrand, intercalation, or by monoalkylation. It produces highly reactive carbonium ion intermediate. It forms covalent bond with the electron donating agent or donors like amine, hydroxyl or sulfhydryl group. Then alkylating agent are the bifunctional, that is they have two alkylating group. The nitrogen at position 7 means N7 of guanine being strongly nucleophilic and probably the main molecular target for alkylation in the DNA. N1 and N3 of adenine and N3 of cytosine may also be affected. Being bifunctional, they can cause intra or interchain cross-linking, abnormal base pairing or chain scissation. Interference not only with the transcription but also with the replication of the DNA. So now let's start with one by one individual monograph. First drug is chlorambucil. Physical property: it is a white crystalline powder with slight odor. It is practically insoluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol and in chloroform. Chemical property: a substance is treated with hydrochloric acid and precipitate is washed with water. The washing, when treated with potassium mercuric iodide, above colored precipitate is obtained. Chlorambucil is not a sufficiently strong base. The beta-chloroethylamino means NCH2CH2Cl group does not give cyclic aziridium ion because electron pair of nitrogen is delocalized on aromatic ring, and hence at physiological condition carbonium ion means NCH2CH2+ is formed by heterolytic fusion of CCl bond. This attack of nitrogen of guanine of DNA and therefore alkylation of DNA occurs. Now let's start with uses. It is a cytotoxic antibiotic and therefore it is used to treat Hodgkin's disease, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, malignant lymphomas, breast cancer and ovarian cancer. Pharmaceutical formulation of the preparation is chlorambucil tablet and the brand name is Leukeran. Now let's start with second drug for alkylating agent is mitomycin, which is also called mitomycin C. Physical property: it is a blue-violet crystalline powder. It is soluble in water and in polar organic solvents. Stability and storage condition: it is stable at room temperature but affected by air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is a cytotoxic antibiotic and therefore used to treat stomach cancer, breast cancer, bladder cancer, lung cancer and cervical cancer. It is also used as a miscellaneous tumor including pancreas, colon, soft tissue sarcoma and carcinoma. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in the form of mitomycin injection and the brand name is Mutamycin. Then next drug is cyclophosphamide. Physical property, it occurs as fine white crystalline powder. It is almost odorless and has a slight bitter taste. It is soluble in water, very soluble in alcohol, but very slightly soluble in ether. Its 2% solution has pH between 4 to 6. Chemical property, when its aqueous solution is boiled with silver nitrate solution, a white precipitate is obtained. It is oxidized in liver, microsomal oxidation to give phosphoramide muster with the loss of acrolein. Stability and storage condition, it is discolored on exposure to light and it is unstable at temperature above 30 degrees Celsius, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Then uses, it is an anti-neoplastic agent, therefore used to treat malignant lymphomas, lymphoblastic leukemia, myeloma, breast cancer, cancer of ovary, lungs cancer means small scale type lungs cancer, neuroblastoma, Ewing's sarcoma, Hodgkin's disease. Then it is also used as an immunosuppressive agent to reduce disease activity in rheumatoid arthritis, nephrotic syndromes, systemic lupus erythematosus, and tissue immune disorder. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of cyclophosphamide tablet, cyclophosphamide injection, and the brand names are Cycloxan, Endoxan, Asta. Now next drug is busulfan. Physical property, it is a white crystalline powder and is odorless. It is slightly soluble in water, soluble in acetone. Chemical property, when it is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, it gives an intense characteristic pyridine-like odor. It alkylates cysteine residue in the proteins. Stability and storage condition, it is affected by air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is a cytotoxic agent, therefore used to treat chronic granulocytic leukemia, chronic myeloid leukemia, polycythemia vera, essential thrombocythemia, myelosclerosis. Pharmaceutical preparation or formulation is busulfan tablet and the brand names are Busulfan, Myosama, and Mylucon. Next drug is cisplatin. It has a pioneer structure. C isomer is biologically active, but trans isomer is an inactive. It forms the complex in bidentate way with the nitrogen of 2 guanosine residue of the DNA strand. Thus it forms intrastrand DNA crosslink. It reacts with thiol group on protein and thus it produces toxic effect. This is the structure of cisplatin. It contains 2 chloro group, 2 amino group. Physical property, it is a white lyophilized powder. It melts at about 207 degrees Celsius. It is a very slightly soluble in water and sparingly soluble in dimethyl formamide. Storage, it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is a cytotoxic agent and therefore used to treat metastatic testicular carcinoma, metastatic ovarian carcinoma, advanced bladder carcinoma, cervical cancer, headache, and neck cancer. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of cisplatin injection and the brand names are Platinol and Aquaplate. Thank you dear student for attending the session. Thank you.